So that's why the airbag sensor light is on. It snapped from the harness. So this is the airbag sensor right here, right?
Crash sensor.
The crash sensor. So the impact snapped the wire at the harness and the crash sensor. Okay, so this side has one also, right?
Yeah, it's two.
Okay, so this one is intact right here.
So this the one that's not.
That's why the airbag light's on.
Yep.
And this didn't have enough impact to pop the airbags, so that's okay. That's why the airbag on and the airbags didn't deflate. Okay.
I got
Inflate.
this.
Oh yeah, I got the wire scanner right there. You need them?
Yes, sir.
They're right here. Damn, cuz, we just, wheeled up on that one.
Wheeled up on it.
Yeah.
Like, hold on, this wire broke. Hold on, what's it go to? That's the impact jump.
Yeah, crash sensor, rewire. Piece this car back together within the next 30 to 45 minutes.
Actually, I'm gonna change this.
Fine.
Yeah,
I mean, it shouldn't move while it's spinning in a housing, right?
nah, shit. I'm the mastermind behind all this. I just let them get a shine.
I'm the help of the day. they know who I am, though. They know who I am for real. Yeah, told the bird think he know.
Yeah.
Yeah, get this motherfucker go.